Hello everybody, welcome to part 8. As you can see, I've been busy making the transmitter. So you can see the bottom part of it, of course, and there's a tuning capacitor of the pi coil, but I have to make that still. I have here down there is the anode tuning part. This is antenna tuning part. This is 1000 picofarads. Normally there should be in there 350 is required, but I didn't have any other one, so put that one in. It doesn't really matter if it's bigger, so long as it's not too small. We have here, we have our RF coil, our RF choke, and this is our main socket for the valve, 6L6. And we have here on this side, we have our Morse key, then we have our meter here, and I have to turn it around, of course. Hold on, you can see everything. There you go. So look. Now we have here our switches, our 5 position switch and our 3 position switch. So you can see from the top. With the coil, I'll show you, not made yet. Just this, as I can see, a piece of drain pipe we can get in our hardware shop. Just has 7 centimeters. I think it's normally nearly 4 inches. And it's 50 mils across. This is 54 mils originally, so I have to make the coil yet. They have to come in at this point. So we're nearly done with our build. Anyway guys, I hope you don't mind if I have to put that on film or on video. Yeah, that wouldn't have worked because there's so much work. I've been here busy about 1.5 weeks on this little set, so you can imagine how much work that is, what that is, and hours. So everything has to be worked out. It was not completely how it should be done. You have to research a bit more and to get the proper idea how it has been built in that day and those days. So I will position the camera a bit differently in a minute, so I'll shut it down for a minute. Okay guys, there we are again. So you see the front of it. Well, you see here on the left hand side you can see our connector to our receiver, and then we have our antenna. This is ground, the antenna from the receiver, and this is the bulb that has to come in here still. That is to measure our pi set. It's this knob here. This will make this bulb glow. The other one will be on the milliamp meter. There's a microamp meter. So I put a shunt across it, so it will be, instead of 100 microamps, it will be milliamps now. So that's how far I got. So I hope you don't mind me showing you that way. There is a lot of construction to do still, believe you me. There's another one has to go in here for the crystal on this side, and the bulb has to go in, the light bulb, and that will be it. And then we have our as I said before, our key and our connection to our power supply. So that's the same thing as that one. So anyway guys, there is a lot of work. I love it. By God, I love this. It's really a lot of work. But there again, I did underestimate it a little bit actually. So there's quite some time in there already. So, but another point what I have is my aluminum. Get my aluminum. So all the hardware shops are empty at this moment from aluminum. So you can't find any aluminum. So I bought some aluminum. I bought the wrong aluminum because it is too soft. So I can deform it with my fingers. So that's not good. And others are probably used for something else. So I made a mistake there. So I'm now buggered. I have to use that. So perhaps I will use that to cover the transmitter up. That doesn't has to hold on out anything. So there's no force on there, so I can cover it up with an U-form, and I will bolt it against it, and that will be it. Well guys, so far so good. I'm sorry this is part 8, so I will publish that earlier, so I'm still busy with the receiver. Now it's actually, I'm pushing myself hard, so I want to get on, and I see I wanted to get it finished, so for a certain time. So see, this, by the way, this front will be black completely as our receiver. So anyway, guys, so far so good. I will come back to you perhaps in part 9 or something like that to go on with this transmitter. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay guys, making my achievement for today anyway. This is a quarter of an hour is sub-hot, and then we won't do it anymore. So you can see our coil. We have to what we need with all the connections on there. There you go. So I will shut off this part with this, and I will see you on the next part, alright?